Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you turn that bell notification on when I post, okay? So, install this wig with me today. I found this wig and I don't know where it came from. It's not from my brand, so it has to be from a wig company that sent me this wig, okay? If you're this wig company that sent me this wig, I'm sorry for the delay. I don't know how I forgot to install this wig, or where it come from, or who it come from, or it's popped. So if you're this wig company, email me and I will drop y'all in the description down below, okay? Because this is a really good wig and the lace is like butter. Very good lace. I decided to try something new with this install besides doing a middle part or a side part, because it's 2025. It's time to get like new styles with wigs. I'm tired of seeing the middle part and the side part. Like, let's do something new, y'all. I just decided to try the little twist and the bandeau knots, and I think it came out really cute. And y'all just watch the video. You're gonna see how it come out.
Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be. Yeah. Are you gonna be? 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 Well, still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be. Yeah. Are you gonna be? 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 Well, still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna say that you're gonna be?
Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. I gotta see you, boo. And the hearts all over the world tonight. Said the hearts all over the world tonight. I need you, boo. Oh, I gotta see you, boo. And the hearts all over the world tonight. Said the hearts all over the world tonight. Hey, little mama, ooh, you're a stunner. Hot little figure, yes, you a winner. And I'm so glad to be yours. You're a class all your own. And ooh, little cutie, when you talk to me, I swear the whole world stops. You're my sweetheart, and I'm so glad that you're mine. You are one of a kind, and you mean me what I mean to you. And together, baby, there is nothing we won't do. Cause if I got you, I don't need money, I don't need cars. Girl, you're my own. And oh, I'm into you, and girl, no one else would do. Cause with every kiss and every hug, you make me all in love. And now I know I can't be the only one. I bet it's hearts all over the world tonight. With the love of their life, who feels what I feel when I'm with you, with you, with you, with you, with you, girl. With you, with you, with you, with you, with you. I cannot wait now. Hey, little shorty, say you care for me. You know I care for you. You know that I'll be true. You know that I won't lie. You know that I will try to be your everything. Yeah, 'cause I got you. I don't need money. I don't need cars. Girl, you're my all. Yeah, yeah. I'm into you. Into you. One else would do. 'Cause with every kiss and every hug, you make me fall in love. And now I know I can't be the only one. Can't be the only. I lay his heart all over the world tonight. With the love of their life, who feels what I feel when I'm with you, with you, with you, with you, with you, girl. With you, with you, with you, with you, with you. With you, with you, with you, with you, with you, girl. With you, with you, with you, with you, with you, with you. With you, with you, with you, with you, with you, girl.
I love her. I just wanna take her out and prove what a real man supposed to do. We can lay around and play around and got time to hang with my crew. I love her. I love her. Got that, I love her. I love her.
Is it me or these hoes just average? Is it because you like my accent? It's the way that I talk my shit. It's the way that I wear these glasses. Met him on April the 2nd. Got 15, bought me a cat. I heard he be hard on bitches. I made him fall in love with savage. It's the fact that I'm hard on niggas. But no lie, you making me feel G got no type, but he say I'm the one. He must got a thing for real, bitch. I know I can get a little crazy. I know, but I love that you know how to deal with it. I need you to bear with me, baby. I ain't really used to no real nigga. You owe me and I owe you too. I promise I'm not about to let up for nothing. I know I be nagging sometimes. Shit, put dick in my mouth, make me shut up or something. I promise to keep it tight. Every time gon' feel like a bird. You keeping me happy, you give me dick. Ask me who my surgeon.
Gotta say the word, keep getting me what I'm looking for. I just gotta tell everybody. I don't wanna keep it on the low. Goddamn, I love her.